Hey guys, so it is after work. It's already starting to get dark. The weather here today sucked. And I'm tired and my hair is flat after a long work day. So regardless, I'm excited to go inside and get a nice straight line and nice waves and this color redone. So like, you see how my hair kind of like bows out right here? This is what I'd like to take off. Okay, so it would kind of look, well, you know, like that. So I'm going to bring in, wow, half my head is straight and half is wavy. I can't. Guys, I got to get this hair done. Look at these roots. All right, so I will see you inside. All right. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. I'm sweating though because it's super hot, but I love it. There it is. There's the new do. All right, so when I get home, I will go into my bathroom in better lighting and show you, but oh, my hair is so soft and it feels so good. So good. So cute. All right, let's get home and I'll show you everything. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm off to work, and I apologize last night when I got home. There was so much going on, and then I made a quick little Insta story for you guys. So work day is about to happen. The hair stayed so nice. All I did was just retouch it up just a little bit. I freaking love this hair. Easy, and it's nice and cool. So all right, so I'm gonna be bringing you along with me in and out for the rest of the day. I'll see you in a little while. The day is gone just like that. Home from work at the end of a long day. And let me tell you, it was hot here today. Whew. All right, I'm hungry. The last time I ate was over 3 hours ago. So I made burgers the other day. So I'm gonna make 2 cauliflower sandwich thins, and I'm gonna put the burger on there. I'm gonna have a small salad on the side. And then I got to go back out again. I'm going to bring you guys with me. Guess where I'm going? Marshall's. Your girl is crazy. But actually, I'm going there for a reason. I'm going somewhere on the weekend, and I want to see if I can get a little gift to bring to the person who we're going to be spending the weekend with. So it's not for me. It's a gift trip. So maybe you can help me pick something out. All right? So I'm gonna go eat my lean and green. I'll show you before I eat it, and then we'll head over to Marshall's. All right, so 2 of these cauliflower sandwich thins are 1/3 of a lean and 1 green. So technically I can have 2 greens, which I am gonna do 2 servings of lettuce and do a little bit of lemon juice as my dressing. And I have 96% lean ground beef, and this is the 2/3 of my lean that I'm allowed to have. And then I used a wedge of Laughing Cow Asiago as my condiment. So, yeah. And I did cook it in my toaster oven. That's what it looks like. So that's my lean and green minus the salad that I'm about to have. All right, so I'm going to go down that and we'll head out gift shopping at Marshall's. All right, we're at Marshall's, and on the way here, guys, there was, I got a card in the mail that Nordstrom Rack was having a ginormous sale because the Nordstrom anniversary sale is going on. So I wound up going in there and I got myself 2 tops, but they're for work and they're really nice. So I'll show you that later. But let's go inside to Marshall's, see if I can find a gift, and then we'll finally get back home. And right now it's super late. Oh my God, my poor dogs, Molly and Paisley, are probably like, where the heck is everyone? I gotta go home and get them out. So let's try to find a gift and I'll see you inside. Here we are. So I think I'm gonna go down the pet aisle because she has a cat. And why can't I find the pet section? Let's keep looking. All right, so there's not a whole big selection for kitties, but they do have some really cute mice. I think I bought this for my cats before. You pull these out and they actually squeak. So maybe we'll get that. And oh boy, not a big selection like I said. Let's go look on this side. I mean, these are kind of cute with the little metal stand. Maybe her cat would want a new dish set. I don't know. I don't know. It's so hard to find for cats. They don't really have that much. And this place is very disorganized. What do you guys think? I'm thinking this is actually kind of cute. It's only $10. Let's take a peek. This one. Oh, they have black bowls or tan. I actually like the black because her cat is a boy. Not that it matters, right? But let's take a peek at the black one. Oops. This is really cute for 10 bucks. I think I'm gonna grab that. So we'll get that and some mice. We'll make a cute little gift bag. Okay, let me see what else I can find. So I know they love peanuts, right? What about a cute little cat bed to go with everything? Look at this print. This is like the old school print, and it would kind of go with that. That's really cute. And the beds are 20 bucks. I think that is so cute. Let's see this one. They even have pink, but her cat is a boy, so I don't know. I think I like this print, that old school Snoopy print. I think they'd really like that with the bowl and the thing here. All right, I'm gonna pick this up, and then we've got a nice gift. I have to go get a shopping cart. My arms are breaking. Let's go get a cart. Well, that was fun. I'm home. Have my little bag of Snoopy bed, bowl, and mice. I'm going to show you what I got from Nordstrom Rack, because once I get inside, I have to unwind. I got to take a shower and get dressed, and I want to get this uploaded. So I'm going to show you. Hold on one second. All right, so I just propped you up on the dash. Nordstrom Rack. I got 2 shirts. One was a $70 shirt on sale for $22.97, and the other one was also $70 on sale for $24.97. So, I mean, seriously? Okay. What I got was, they folded it so nice, and I'm so sorry that I'm not inside to show you this in better, but you know I'll post this when I wear it on Instagram. But look at this top. It's like very boho with a lot of detail. It's got a bell sleeve and this olive green color, and this is all eyelet. And I thought this would be, there's the top. Look at that. I thought this would be really cute for when we go down to the beach for our vacation. I did get it in a medium, and there you go. It was, you can see the tag. Look at that. That is a score. If you were to buy this in Nordstrom, it would be $68, and it's by Catherine Malandrino. It's just the most soft fabric. And so that's that. You can wear this with anything. You can wear this with a pair of jeans, a pair of jean cutoff shorts. You can wear it with slacks. You can wear it with pretty much anything. And then the other top I got, which is really ironic, that I went with that same color scheme, but this one, guys, this is so pretty. This, I'm gonna wear this with white pants and a nice pair of wedges. This is a top by Adriana Papel, and again, it was a $70 shirt on sale for $22.97. There you go. It's got a beautiful button closure. Check this one out, guys. Check this top out. These are the sleeves. Look at that. How gorgeous. How beautiful. It's just, that's it. It's just a plain little shirt, but the sleeves are the focal point. I cannot wait to wear this. And something like this is really good too, because in the fall, again, if you want to wear, you know, a leather jacket over it, or you can do anything with this, but I am always hot. And so, especially in the summertime. So I welcome it. And look at this on the little tag. It comes with an extra button, which is really, really nice, because that button in the back, if it got lost, they give you an extra one. Crazy. But yeah, this is such a pretty top. I'm excited. And here comes that like golden hour as the sun is going down. Those are the two tops I got. So that's the shopping escapade. You saw the hair. What else? I guess that's it, guys. So maybe the lighting's better over here. All right, I know that this video was just a bunch of hodgepodge, but this weekend we are going to go down, like I was showing you the gifts. We're going down to the beach on Saturday. So we plan on hitting the boardwalk and just having a really good day with family. And so I will hopefully be vlogging for you and showing you how I stay on plan when I'm not home. And it's important to be prepared, and that is what I'm going to do. We'll be bringing the food scale and the whole 9 yards. If I don't already prepare a lean and green and bring it with me, I might do that too. It might just be simpler, especially if we're by the ocean. So I guess that's it. One more day until Friday. All I can tell you is this has been a long week. Draining. It's busy at work, and I'm quite frankly exhausted. So I'm looking forward to a nice relaxing weekend, and of course, like I said, I'll bring you with me. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, as always, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.